Hi, this is Chris. I want to show you some of the technical specifications and some of the improvements we've made to the design of the triple decker. So just looking on the outside, you can see a couple of new things versus the way the double decker is designed. You can see we have these thumb guides, what I call them, so it helps you line up your thumbs and your fingers so that it's more intuitive to open up the product. So that's one of our first improvements we made to the design. In addition, you can see that we have a totally smooth interior of the Card Caddy now. In the previous design, we had these supports that were buttresses to the side walls, and we did the engineering study of that and found that that wasn't necessarily needed to maintain the strength of the product, and some customers were worried that these little bumps would dent the sides of their cards. If you watch our paint shaker video that you can find on YouTube, you can see that doesn't really make a difference, but we wanted to be better safe than sorry and make sure that no one had any concerns about that. So you can see that the walls now are completely smooth and should not have any potential to ding up the sides of your cards, just like any other deck box. The final major improvement that we've made to this design is the way that the chip snaps in. So you can see on the double decker here, the chip snaps in from the front, and sometimes that would make it a little easier for it to fall out. So now we've designed it so the chip snaps in from the inside, and you can always take that out to have an open hole, or if you are worried that your cards might get damaged, you can snap that in from the inside. And that's what's great about this, is you can use your chips to customize or identify each of your card caddies. So let's talk a little bit about the specifications, mainly the measurements of what will fit inside. So this is a stack of 100 double sleeve cards that is approximately 2 3/4 inches high. So if you have your standard Magic deck or whatever deck you may have of 100 double sleeve cards, that easily fits inside the triple decker, because the interior capacity of the triple decker is 3 inches. So the entire height inside of the triple decker is 3 inches, and the interior dimensions are 2 3/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches. So that absolutely lets you use almost any standard sleeve size that is out there currently. There are some sleeves that are a good bit wider or taller on top, so make sure you do check your sleeves before you back the product and get a Card Caddy and are disappointed. But the interior dimensions of 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, if your sleeves are smaller than that, they should fit in there with no problems. So thanks for checking out our specifications video. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them either through a video or email or any social media channels, and help us back this product so you can stack your deck anywhere, anytime.